Broadcasting College of the Philippines.
Go!
And for today's video, we're gonna demonstrate the basic skill of sepak takraw, which is the
Ball control!
serving, receiving,
Heading!
tossing, kicking,
And lastly, is spiking!
Alam niyo ba, ang sepak takraw ay isa sa pinakamasaya at pinaka-entertaining na laro sa buong bansa. Ang larong ito ay ginagamitan ng paa, tuhod, chest, shoulder, and head to strike a ball over the net. Alam niyo rin ba na ang sepak takraw ay nagko-combine ng skills, agility, coordination, and teamwork. So tara, sepak na!